This employment law video is on shared parental leave. How does shared parental leave work? Subject to eligibility requirements, parents are able to share up to 50 weeks of leave and up to 37 weeks of pay. Parents must share the pay and leave in the first year after the child is born or placed with parents for adoption. It's possible to take the leave all at once or take it in up to 3 blocks. Parents can decide to be off work together or stagger their leave and pay. Who is able to apply for shared parental leave? To be eligible for shared parental leave for one or both of the parents, the mother or adopter must have a partner, be entitled to maternity adoption leave and statutory maternity adoption pay or maternity allowance, and have returned to work or curtailed their maternity leave, statutory maternity pay or maternity allowance. A parent who intends to take shared parental leave must be an employee, share responsibility of the child with the other parent, and have given proper notice to their employer. In addition, the parent wishing to take shared parental leave must have been continuously employed by the same employer for at least 26 weeks by the end of the 15th week before the due date matching, and still be with the same employer when they take the leave. And the partner must have been working for at least 26 weeks, although this does not have to be in a row, in the 66th period before the baby's due date matching, and have earned at least the current threshold in total across 13 of the 66 weeks. Notice. The mother or adopter must have given curtailment notice at least 8 weeks before they wish their leave or pay entitlement to end. This cannot be before the end of the compulsory maternity leave period or the equivalent 2-week adoption leave. A parent who is an employee and participating in the scheme must give their employer notice of entitlement and intention to take shared parental leave. The notice must be given at least 8 weeks before the first intended period of shared parental leave, and include a declaration from the other parent that they consent to the proposal. The employee must also finalise the shared parental leave period by giving notice at least 8 weeks before the leave starts. An employer cannot refuse a request for continuous leave. However, where separate leave periods are requested, the employer has 2 weeks to accept the request, suggest alternative periods, or refuse the leave notification. If the employer refuses the request, the employee may be able to take the leave periods as one block or withdraw their request. Employees are able to serve up to 3 notices. Statutory shared parental pay. Statutory shared parental pay is paid out at the current specific sum per week or 90% of the average weekly earnings, whichever is the lowest. That's my video on shared parental leave. The usual caveat is that this video is for guidance only and should not be relied upon for specific advice. For more information on shared parental leave, do visit my website. And if you're interested in receiving notifications on other employment law videos, do subscribe to my channel.